Here is the webinar number 1 from term 2. So we're going back on the full curriculum we done on term 1. So the focus on this week will be on how to build from the back, and the focus will be on the goalkeeper. One of the well-known coach who introduced the building from the back is called Ricardo La Volpe from Argentina. It's famous, known as La Salita Volpiana, the La Volpe's exit. It's the way we want to build from the back to move forward. Okay, so the idea behind that is to create a numerical advantage. Okay, to bring the ball from the back line to the middle line. Okay, and the idea is when you play 4 at the back, it's to have one of the CDM to drop back to create a numerical advantage. For us playing 3-5-2, our sweeper will be that player who will be able to add this numerical advantage. So the numerical advantage is a really important concept to understand how we want to build from the back. Here in those days, Pep Guardiola is probably the best advocate of La Volpe's exit. All his team, and especially Barcelona 2008-2012, or today Manchester City, they're building from the back with a really low start. So we need to understand what are the most important concept and the most important thing to know to build from the back. We spoke about the numerical advantage. The shape is really important, the way we will shape. Most of the time, this building from the back will start from the goalkeeper on goal kick set pieces. Okay, so have a look on the shape we want to have. Here you can see the shape that we're looking at on a goal kick, with the 3 at the back creating a diamond with the goalkeeper. Then we have the 3 midfielders in a triangle position. We want our wing backs very wide and high, and also we want our 2 strikers to be close to each other. As we mentioned before, the focus is on the goalkeeper. Doesn't mean that it's only for the goalkeeper to understand how we want to play. Everyone needs to understand the importance on how we want to build from the back. Okay, but the goalkeeper surely needs to understand that he needs to be part of that process. He needs to be able to offer options while he plays the ball out. Okay, so have a look on how we want him to be able to drop deeper or always be part of the build from the back. This week the focus is on the goalkeeper. As you can see here, he's playing the ball to the center back and moving deeper to offer himself some space. The idea there will be, if he receives the ball, to play and switch the game to the other side as fast as possible to be able to use the space we have. The best way to do that is to control the ball knowing where you're going to play. Okay, what we need to understand is a lot of the time the opponents will be putting a lot of pressure on us. So, as we explained in our formation, the sweeper will be that middleman who will add a numerical advantage. Okay, so sometimes the goalkeeper will have to play the sweeper and play from goalkeeper to sweeper. Have a look on how we can make this work. If the 2 strikers are more marking the center backs, we need the sweeper to go a little bit higher, and then we can play goalkeeper to sweeper. Another really important thing you need to understand is if we want to build from the back and be able to exit, we need to play very fast. We need to play 1, 2, 3 touches. What is really important is that you know what are your options before you receive the ball, then you can play fast. Okay, Ederson, Ter Stegen are very good on this. Okay, they are able to offer options and to play very fast on 1, 2 touches. Okay, have a look on some set of play from Manchester City. We will explain a bit better the importance of the goalkeeper, the importance of the fact that we need to play very fast. Here, as you can see, the goalkeeper is part of the process to build from the back. He is offering option and going even out of his goal to offer himself more space. Really important that we play 1, 2 touches to make sure that the game is going fast and that we don't get more pressure. Here you can see the goalkeeper is breaking the line to play between the 2 strikers. Okay, this was the webinar number 1 from term 2, building from the back with a focus on the goalkeeper. To remind you the important concept you have to understand, we have to remember about the shape. We need a perfect shape to start and build from the back. We need a numerical advantage. We need to play very fast with the ball, and we need the goalkeeper to be able to offer options and always be a solution for the defenders. Thank you for watching. Take a few minutes to answer the quiz. Thanks.